Hello friends, welcome to Subarnar kitchen. Today I am going to cook a new chicken item, chicken in lemon butter sauce. It's very delicious and easy to cook. Let's enjoy the recipe. Chicken in lemon butter sauce is now ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please try this. Your comments are most welcome. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more new recipes. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy.